Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 14th September 2021. So this slide is dedicated for synoptic systems of 14th September 2021. So from this we can see that yesterday deep depression over North Interior Odisha moved further west northwestwards and weakened into a depression and lay centered at 8:30 hours IST of today over North Chhattisgarh and adjoining North Interior Odisha. If we look at the location, it is actually over latitude 22.1 degree north and longitude 83.4 degree east, about 80 kilometer west northwest of Jharsuguda in Odisha and about 120 kilometers south southeast of Ambikapur in Chhattisgarh, and it is very likely to continue over west northwestwards across North Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and weaken into a well-marked low pressure area during next 48 hours. So this is the situation of yesterday's deep depression, and yesterday's another low pressure area over Gujarat region and Neighborhood has become less marked. However, the cyclonic circulation now lies over South Gujarat region and Neighborhood. It is shown by C, and depression is shown by D. So the monsoon trough actually shown by this blue line lies south of its normal position and likely to continue to remain south of its normal position during next 3-4 days. And this green line also shows that there is a trough between this cyclonic circulation over South Gujarat region and Neighborhood to the cyclonic circulation associated with the depression over this uh, north this Chhattisgarh and adjoining areas of Interior Odisha. So in the level of between 1.5 and 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level. So these are the main synoptic systems. This will lead this our weather over different parts of the country. So we will discuss in detail in later slides. And this is the satellite imagery. So from this we can see that under the influence of this depression, there is intense to very intense convection over Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Gangetic, West Bengal and Neighborhood. And under the cyclonic circulation and the position of the trough, again there is a intense to very intense convection over northeast Arabian Sea and adjoining areas of South Gujarat region and adjoining areas of Konkan and Goa also. So this is the cloudiness over different parts of the country. So this is the about the rainfall activity during past 24 hours. From this we can see that Odisha reported a very good amount of rainfall under the influence of deep depression. Yesterday we look at station wise extremely heavy rainfall, that is more than 20 centimeter reported over this 19 centimeter over Odisha, and heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall between 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter. 38 stations reported such amount of rainfall, and stations between 7 centimeter to 12 centimeter reported 51 stations reported heavy rainfall. As far as this Gujarat region is concerned, this rainfall up to this starting from 7 centimeter to that is from 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter, that is in the category of very heavy rainfall reported over 5 stations. And as far as the Saurashtra Kutch area is concerned, more than 20 centimeter reported over 7 stations, and more than 12 centimeter and less than 20 centimeter reported over 15 centimeter. So we can see that under the influence of this one low pressure area over this Gujarat and depression over Odisha and Nagaland, reported a very amount of rainfall over Odisha and this Gujarat state. Other areas also like Konkan and Goa reported Palghar 14 centimeter, North Goa and Thane reported 9 centimeter, Madhya Maharashtra and Nasik district reported 20 centimeter, Gangetic West Bengal, Lalgarh and Kontai reported 11 centimeter each, and in Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Alipurdwar reported 11 centimeter, and in East Uttar Pradesh, Sitapur reported 8 centimeter, Uttarakhand in this one of the station Chakrata, Dehradun reported 8 centimeter. In both Rajasthan, west and east, one station from west and one station from east Rajasthan, that is Churu and Sikar, reported 7 centimeter, and Assam Meghalaya also reported this Gosaingaon 14 centimeter and Cherrapunji 7 centimeter. So this is the rainfall situation in past 24 hours. Different parts of the country shown here has received good amount of rainfall. So if we look at this monsoon activity accordingly, we can say that monsoon remains either active or vigorous over Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Telangana, Vidarbha, Maharashtra, Gujarat state, East Rajasthan, and Haryana, Uttarakhand. These areas reported this active to vigorous rainfall and vigorous monsoon activity. And this green color shows green or red. We can see that weak to normal also reported this different parts of the country shown by weak activity shown by red color and green activity shown by normal activity. And accordingly, left hand side we can see that most parts of the country except J&K reported rainfall, and these parts of central India, East India, and western Ghat, western coast, and this Maharashtra area, including Lakshadweep, also reported good amount of rain. So this is the weather warning for day one. So from this we can say that under the influence of this depression, still there is a possibility of very heavy rainfall over Odisha, over interior Odisha, and very heavy rainfall also expected over one or two places over Gangetic West Bengal during next 24 hours. And as far as this Chhattisgarh and East MP area is concerned, where heavy to very heavy, and there is also possibility of rainfall more than 20 centimeter under the influence of depression. So we have given red color during next 24 hours. And this western parts of MP and Gujarat state and Konkan and Goa and Madhya Maharashtra are also expected heavy to very heavy rainfall during next 24 hours. So this belt starting from GWB Odisha to Gujarat state across Madhya Pradesh, we are expecting heavy to very heavy, and over one or two places isolated extremely also expected over Chhattisgarh and East Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours. So we can say that, however, there is a possibility of reduction in intensity over this Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal during next 24 hours. After that, rainfall will reduce. However, this activity over central and parts of Gujarat state and this East Rajasthan likely to continue. We will discuss in 4 or 5 days warnings. And the thunderstorm mainly likely over the parts of the central India, that is Madhya Pradesh and Telangana, Vidarbha, and this interior Maharashtra areas, and also over Uttar Pradesh and East Rajasthan and Uttarakhand during next 24 hours. As far as these fishermen warnings are concerned, we can see that along the east coast over North Andhra Pradesh coast and Odisha coast, where there is a possibility of gustiness and strong winds, that is 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmph likely during next 24 hours. So we have issued this fisherman warning for this north coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast. And as far as western coast are concerned, uh, strong winds 40 to 50 gusting to 60 km is likely over this Gujarat coast and North Maharashtra coast. So during next 24 hours at least, fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. So let us move to this 5 days warning. So already we have discussed for 14th September warning. If we look at 15th September warning, we can see that this red color warnings has been now migrated to West MP and Gujarat state as well. So we can say that there is a possibility of extremely heavy rainfall more than 20 centimeter over Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat state on 15th, and heavy to very heavy rainfall, that is rainfall up to 20 centimeter at one or two places expected over Konkan and Goa. And on 15th, we can also say that Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh and East Rajasthan, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over these areas. And over Northeast India, Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, there is also a possibility of heavy rainfall. That's rainfall more than 7 centimeter and less than 12 centimeter over these pockets. So this is the weather warning for 15th. If we look at the map of 16th September, we can say that this orange color is now lies over East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat state. So this is leading to the possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall over this pocket, that is East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat state on 16th as well. However, this area, that is GWB, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, even Bihar, and this parts of southern peninsular and peninsular India, there is a green color shows that there is a little possibility of any significant of rainfall during 16th, 17th, and 18th. So we can see that on 16th there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, and Gujarat state, and heavy rainfall over Konkan and Goa. And on 17th, 16th, we can also see that one possibility of pocket of heavy rainfall over this western northwest India, that is Haryana also, Haryana, West Rajasthan. So we can see that on 16th, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. This is the zone of rainfall of heavy. And on 17th, only orange color is given for Rajasthan. So this is shows that there is a possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Rajasthan on 17th, and heavy rainfall on Gujarat state and Konkan and Goa on 17th, and heavy rainfall also likely over this Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya, and Andaman Nicobar Islands as well. On 18th, we can see that this orange color shows over West Rajasthan. That is very heavy rainfall at one or two places expected over West Rajasthan on 18th, and heavy rainfall at one or two places over East Rajasthan and Gujarat region and Konkan and Goa. So under the influence of this likely formation of cyclonic circulation of northern parts of the Bay of Bengal, we can see that there is a likely possibility of increase of rainfall from 18th over Odisha and from 19th GWB also. So fresh spell of heavy rainfall is expected over Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal from 18th onwards. So these are the weather warning for next 5 days. So it is recommended for district-wise weather warnings. Kindly refer our website where district-wise warnings are issued and available. Website is our daily. We are also telling that mosam.imd.gov.in. So you can visit our these websites and meteorological center and regional meteorological centers websites also for district-wise and warnings, and this will help for further improvement of weather warnings. So it is recommended kindly download our different apps. They are very useful and beneficial for weather warnings. That is Mosam app, Damini app, and we do that. And as already told that we are uploading our national weather bulletins regularly, updated 4 times a day. And kindly also refer our RSMC website for this depression and other cyclone related issues. And we are regularly updating our these weather warnings on Facebook page, Twitter page. Kindly visit and follow us. And we are regularly updating our videos on YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe it and comment on it. Thank you.